Hello friends and potential friends. Well, today is May 31st, 2025. Cats are just finishing up their supper. There's Licorice, Pally. Spooky was a little bit late. Snowflake over there. And here comes Bullwinkle. Yep, he wants to get in on the eating action too. Let's see what this does. He's gonna have to go right past Snowflake. Yep, I think he's just thinking about it. Probably more concerned about me than he is about Snowflake. But anyway, I've got one last task to take care of this year. As you can see, or can't see, I finished off the cabbage collard seed haul. Got them in the house drying. And now I need to continue the experiment of growing sweet potatoes from seed. I have these slips that I grew. Those were from the tubers that I got last year from the experiment. And it will continue to be a true experiment because there's one that just popped up by itself. I've got a couple of sweet potatoes over here, but this is where I grow my other slips, so those don't count. But these ones here are all from seed. So I'm going to go ahead and get them in the ground, water them in good, and then I'm going to pack up and head north. Because this is the last thing I've got to do before I pack up the van and head for Mom's. So let's get it done. Got some nice roots on them. Well, that was about enough to fill up that bed. Now we just leave it for a few months. And when I get back in the fall, we'll go treasure hunting again. So just a short one tonight. I'm going to put a soaker hose on this and let it run all night. And I'll see you next time. Oh, and incidentally, Bullwinkle decided he wanted to come down and get something to eat in amongst the cat pack. See you next time.